While converting decimal to octal number system, okay, again we have to make the mod operation, okay, same which we have seen in the conversion from decimal to binary. Consider that this is the 32 decimal number, okay, and we have to convert it into the octal number. Now we have to give the mod operation, perform the mod operation on it. If we perform mod operation, this is 8, 32 mod 8 क्या आएगा, डिवीजन क्या आएगी उसकी, what will be the division, 8 4 जा 32, 8 चौक 32, okay, and remainder will be 0. Then again we give the mod 8 operation, okay. So is it possible to give division to the 4 by 8? 4 को हम लोग डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या 8 से, yes or no? No sir, right? So answer will be 0 and remainder will be 4. That's it, okay. Now what to do after this? ये नंबर कौन सा है, 0 मतलब कौन सा नंबर, 0 मीन्स नहीं, 0 मीन्स कौन सा नंबर है, राइट, 0 मीन्स zero means here is a LSD and 4 means MSD, okay. So now this will be 4 0, got it. So binary number 32 is equals to 40, a octal number. All of you got it, all of you got it, yes, good. Now we will see, do you have any doubt regarding this, or shall I take another example? Shall I take another example? Yes, good. So we have 50 decimal number, good. We have 50 decimal number, have to convert it into the octal number system. So how to convert it, we give the mod, perform the mod operation on 50 by 8. So 50 mod 8 is equals to क्या आएगा, बताइए जल्दी फास्ट, 8 7 जा 56, तो ये पॉसिबल ना रहते, राइट 48. सो 6 8 जा 48 म्हणजे 8 सको 48. सो here will be 6 and here remainder will be 2. Again we perform the mod operation on 6, but it is not possible to give the division to 6 by using 8. So remainder will be as it is 6 and the division will be 0. So again this 2 becomes the LSD and 6 becomes the MSD. So this output of this is 62. All of you got it? All of you got it? Yes, right, good. Now I will give you one clue. If you write down the wrong number, okay, now consider that if we write instead of 62 we write 26. Now how to identify that our answer is wrong? By visually, फिर से यहाँ सब लोग ध्यान दीजिए, ओके, जिसका बेस बड़ा उसका नंबर छोटा, जिसका बेस बड़ा उसका नंबर छोटा, जिसका बेस छोटा उसका नंबर बड़ा. इक्विवेलेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. डेसिमल नंबर 50 इज इक्वल्स टू 62 ऑफ ऑक्टल नंबर. तो ये बारे में हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, जिसका बेस बड़ा उसका नंबर छोटा, जिसका बेस छोटा उसका नंबर बड़ा। ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट। अगर हम लोग इसे उल्टा लिखते हैं 26, सो इमीडिएटली वी आइडेंटिफाई दैट वी हैव रिटन अ रॉन्ग आंसर, राइट, क्योंकि जिसका बेस छोटा उसका नंबर बड़ा होना चाहिए, यहाँ तो छोटा निकला। ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट, ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट, गुड। So this will be our wrong answer. All of you got it? किसी सबको समझ में आ गया? किसी को डाउट इसमें? Good, good. Now we will take another example. Okay, consider that this is the 17. We have to give division by, we have to 17 decimal number, have to convert it into octal number, then perform the mod operation on it. कितना आएगा? 8 to the 16, right? So यहाँ पे 2 and here will be 1. Then again 8 of mod, here will be again 2 will be remainder and output will be 0. So it becomes, क्या आएगा आउटपुट? क्या आएगा? 12 या 21? 21, right? We should not write, we should not write 12, okay, because those base is smaller, the number will be greater, okay. So as per that we have write down this, okay. Now these are the remaining one, okay. All of you got it? Do you have any problem about this, or shall I take one more example? Shall I take one more example? Good. So solve it. Remaining this you have to solve it. At least two. These two you have to solve it and give me the answer immediately. All of you started the solving?